So welcome everybody. You're joining us here from the AFB STEP Consortium meeting, the kickoff meeting here in Amsterdam. And I'm here with John Clifford, who is a representative from IHI.
Yeah.
And he was kind enough to spend us some of his minutes to answer some of the questions.
Yeah.
And IHI obviously plays an important role in the whole consortium setting.
Yeah.
So maybe you can enlighten us a little bit what your role in this whole AFB STEP Consortium is right now in the next 4 years.
Okay, so at IHI, the Innovative Health Initiative, I am a scientific project officer. So my role will be to monitor the implementation of AFB STEP. So I'll be just making sure that the work undertaken is as described in the description of action, and just making sure that the cost for all of the work is eligible.
Okay,
that's simply it. Yeah.
And what do you, like from a personal perspective, having spent some time meanwhile as well as a project, what do you think is from your perspective the most exciting part? What do you think is most exciting on the AFB STEP Consortium?
I think the most exciting aspect is that it's addressing an unmet public health need, and that it's trying to ascertain the burden of AF and the impact on patient outcomes. And this aligns quite well with one of IHI's key objectives, which is to fund innovative projects in the healthcare space, particularly where there's an unmet public health need. So there's really good alignment there. And I think that's the most exciting thing from my perspective.
And the motivation of the IHI, besides these aspects, to fund this project, I mean, what is the major scope of your institution to support a project like this?
I think it's a very exciting consortium. The work is very exciting, very ambitious. I think that it has all the necessary expertise with which to achieve its very ambitious objectives. So that was clearly very important in achieving funding. The other thing is that it has all the necessary public and private partners with which to achieve its objectives. And of course, as we are a public-private partnership, that's our raison d'etre. So it's, of course, important that there's public partners in all of our projects, and AFB STEP is no different in that aspect.
Very good. And can you comment on the timeline? I mean, I was surprised when we set up the whole project, and when you think of from the first year of the application until now, is that the usual time frame that you're facing when such huge projects are coming into play with your institution?
Yes, but I think actually the timeline for AFB STEP is quite ambitious. It's a 48-month project, so there's a lot of work to be done in those 48 months. I know it might seem like a long period, but actually those months do go by so very quickly. But I know that already from the proposal drafting stage and the submission stage that the consortium has already melded together quite well. Just my feeling in the room upstairs is that there's a lot of camaraderie already among the consortium, and I feel like you're going to go on and achieve great things.
Yeah, we hope we will do that. On top of what we just said, is there anything else that you have on the top of your head that you would like to mention regarding this whole project?
Just actually, I have a personal skin in the game. One of my family member, my father, he had atrial fibrillation, so I do have some knowledge of the subject matter, and yeah, it has some personal resonance for myself, and I'm really looking forward to learning more about this and looking at all the great results that will be generated by the project in the coming years.
So hopefully with the data we're gathering and with the result that we're coming up, we can treat the patient even better than we were able until now.
That's exactly it, yeah.
Very good. Thank you so much for your time.
You're very welcome.
And we're absolutely looking forward to working together for the next 4 years.
Great.
Very good. Thanks for your time.